Good morning students. Welcome to your computer class. In your last class you have learned list elements. Now in today's class we will discuss about more two advanced features of HTML. One is image element, another one is marquee element. Image element is used to insert an image in our web page and marquee element is used to insert a scrolling text or object in our web page. For image element we have img tag, which is an empty tag, doesn't have any matching end tag. But marquee is a container tag. For that we have to write matching end tag also. In between start and end tag of marquee element, whatever you will write or insert, that object or text is going to be scrolled from one side to another side in a web page. So to make you understand about these two elements, let me write HTML code in Notepad. So let me open Notepad first. This is Notepad. Now to write HTML code, again I have to follow the basic HTML structure. HTML start tag, then head start tag, then title start tag, then title. My web page is my title of my page. Then title end tag. After that head end tag. Then we will start body tag. Then body end tag. And at last HTML end tag. Now in between start and end tag of body element, I will write some body text which I have already copied from internet about Taj Mahal. So let me paste it. So this is my body text. Let me save my file with .html extension. Save. Where I will save? On desktop only to access it. Now save as type we have to change to all files. Then here the name of my file, my page.html. Already one file is there with this name. I will replace that. Yes. So let me minimize this. So this is the page which I have created just now. So if I double click on it, it will open in my default web browser, which is Microsoft Edge. See, this is the web page. The tab name is my web page, which is the title of this web page, and this is body text. Now I will insert one picture here in my web page. Where I will insert the picture? At the beginning. This is HTML code. Here before body text I will insert one image. For that which element we will use? img element. img. So this is the element to insert an image, which is an empty tag, means singular tag, doesn't have any matching end tag, and it takes one attribute called src, without which image element will not work. So src equal to, in double quotes we have to write the URL of the image file, means the address of the image file. So let me find out one image file from my computer. On my desktop only I have saved one picture of Taj Mahal, this one, tm.jpg. Right click on that file, go to properties. Here in this properties of the file, we will get the address of the file in location section. Select this and copy it. Right click on it, select copy, or you can use Ctrl+C shortcut key to copy this address. So this is the address of the picture file, and the name of the picture file is tm.jpg. You remember this tm.jpg name. Now click on OK, open your HTML code. For src, within double quotes you paste that address, and then at the last you give slash and the name of the file, that was tm.jpg. Let me save it. So this image element, img element, must includes one src attribute to specify the address and name of the picture file to be inserted in the web page. Save it, minimize this, open your page. See now, this is the picture. This picture will appear on your web page in its original size, but you can resize this picture also. You can make it small or you can make it big. I want to make this picture small. And see, the picture will be inserted in one line. This is my first line. In first line only picture has inserted, and due to the height of this picture, the height of the line is increased. See, this is my first line. Now I will change the size of this picture. I will make the picture small by decreasing the height and width of the picture. For that, here in code I have to use two attributes. One is height, another one is width. So let me use height first. Height equal to height value. So height value either we can give in pixel, that is the fixed value, or we can use percent value. Percent means percentage of the height of the browser window. I am giving here 30%. That means the height of the picture will be 30% of the height of the browser window. And width also we have to change, width equal to 50%. 50% of the width of the browser window. Let me save it. Saved. Now refresh this. See, picture height and width has changed. Width is the 50% of the width of the browser window. Now if you decrease the width of the browser window, picture's width will also decrease like this. Now we will include another attribute, which is align attribute. Align. Align equal to, we can use two values, left and right. So left for picture will remain at the left hand side of the page, and text will come to cover this space. Okay, so that means this text, the text which is after the picture, will appear here in multiple lines after the picture at the right hand side. And if we align the picture to the right side of the page, the text will appear here in multiple lines before the picture at the left hand side. Let's see. Align equal to, within double quotes, left. I've saved the code. Now we refresh this. See, in multiple line, text appeared after the picture at the right hand side. And if we bring the picture at the left hand side by using right value for align attribute, then text will appear at the left hand side of the picture. Now for picture, we can use border also. So for that, the attribute is border. Border equal to border value in pixel. I am giving here 7. So border's width will be 7 point. Let's see. See, this is 7 point borders appeared around the picture. Now we will learn another attribute which is very important for IMG element, that is ALT attribute. ALT. This ALT for alternate text. If picture doesn't load or picture file is not present in the server, so in that case, at the place of picture, the text which I will write here, the value for this ALT attribute will appear. Like here I am writing picture of Taj Mahal in double quotes. Save it. Reload this. See, you cannot see the text which I have written as the value for ALT attribute because picture has loaded. Now if I remove the picture from here, let me delete this picture. Now picture is not there in the location which is specified in source attribute. Now let me reload this. See, picture doesn't appear. Only ALT text is displayed here to make you understand this is the place for a picture of Taj Mahal. Understood? So let me bring back the picture here. This is the picture. Now let me reload again. See, picture appears because now the picture is brought back here. So this is IMG element. Now we will learn Marquee element. So what is Marquee element? This is the element using which we can scroll our text from one side to another side in a web page. From right to left, from left to right, from bottom to top, or from top to bottom. Marquee element is a container element. So here I want to include a Marquee text just after the image. So for that I have to write Marquee start tag and end tag. Marquee start tag and Marquee end tag / Marquee. In between Marquee start and end tag, whatever you will write, that text will scroll in your page from right to left in default behavior. So I'm writing here our school name, VSN. So VSN will be the text which is going to be scrolled in the page from right to left. Let's see. Save. Reload it. See. This is the text which is scrolling from right side to left hand side. So this scrolling text is called Marquee. See, the text will enter into the page from right hand side. It will scroll across the page from right to left, and then it will go away from left hand side. This is the first scroll. After that again it will enter from right hand side. So this way text will scroll from right to left. So this is the default behavior of scrolling, which is called scroll behavior. But we can change this behavior to slide and alternate. So what to do? For that we have to use one attribute called behavior. Behavior. Behavior equal to 3 values are there: scroll, slide and alternate. Scroll is the default behavior. So no need to specify scroll behavior. But if you want to use slide behavior or alternate behavior, you have to use this behavior attribute with the slide or alternate value. So that we have to write in double quotes. So I'm writing here alternate. Alternate. See this alternate for what? Alternate will make the text to enter from right hand side. Text will scroll to the left hand side, and when it will reach to the left hand side, after touching that left hand side, again the text will bounce back to move to the right hand side. So this way in screen only the text will move right to left and left to right. That is alternate behavior. And another one is slide behavior. Slide behavior makes the object or text moves only once. When object or text reaches to the end point from starting point, it stops and no movement is seen afterwards. So let's see. I have changed the behavior to alternate. See text enter from right hand side, is scrolling now towards left. This is going to touch the left hand edge and then it bounces back. It is now going towards right. Again, as soon as it touches the right hand edge, it will bounce back. Clear? So in screen only text will move left and right. Now we will change the speed of the scrolling. For that, the attribute is scroll amount. Scroll amount. Scroll amount equal to numeric value. Default scroll amount is 6 point. But we can increase the speed by specifying 10, 20 or more value than 6. Like I am giving here 10. Let's see now. See, little bit faster than 6. If I give here 30, text will scroll more fast. See. So this way we can speed up or slow down the scroll of the text. Now we will change the direction. Default direction is from right to left. To change the direction, we have to use the attribute direction. Direction equal to direction value. It can take 4 values: up, down, right and left. So left is the default direction, so no need to specify it. To scroll the text from left to right, we have to use the direction attribute value right. Right. Let me remove this behavior attribute. Now the text will use its default behavior scroll. Save it. Ctrl plus R to reload. See now. Text is scrolling from left to right. Now we will change the color of the strip in which the text is scrolling. For that, the attribute is bg color. Bg color equal to either color name or hexadecimal triplet color. So I am using color name, red. So on red background, the text will scroll. See. We can change the height and width of this Marquee strip also. Height. Height equal to height value and width equal to width value. So here we can give either pixel value or percent value. So I am using percent value. Height 30%. 30% of the height of the browser window. And width equal to 70%. 70% of the width of the browser window. Let's save it. Reload it. See now. The width is 70% of the width of the browser window and height is 30% of the height of the browser window. Now if I write direction equal to up, let's see now what will happen. See, from bottom to top. In that case, the Marquee strip's width we have to decrease. Width for now 10% of the width of the browser window. See. Now if you want to increase the size of the text, so for that we have to use font element which you have learned in your class 6 syllabus. So that text we have to enclose between font start tag and end tag. So this is Marquee and after that you write font size equal to 7. This is start tag and then end tag / font. Save it and reload the page. See now the text size is increased. Now it is big VSN which is scrolling from bottom to top. So this is Marquee tag. So in today's class, we have learned two elements. One is img element for image and another one is Marquee for Marquee scrolling text. Img is an empty element or singular element, whereas Marquee is a container tag or paired element. So you read these two elements from book and practice these elements in your home. So today up to this much. See you in our next class where we will learn more advanced features of HTML. So till then, bye. Have a nice day.